was our 10 lovely candidates in their evening gowns. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 1, please come forward. Ito, hindi ko alam kung may scoliosis, kung may cancer sa baga.
Talaga siya.
Hindi ko alam kung dating sunog baga na may problema na sa baga. Dito ka lang ate sa gitna, huwag kang malikot. Dito lang ate sa gitna. Yan. Ladies and gentlemen, in the panel of the Board of Judges, our candidate number 1, Miss
Lady Baba.
Thank you so much, Lady Baba. Makakababa na? Huwag na umarti, baba ka agad.
Ang bagal talaga niya, oh.
Ang bagal niya ba? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 2, please step forward. Huwag kang adalantada, hindi kita pinapa-forward. Matras ka.
Senadora ka, Angel
Eksena,
Fox.
ha? Come closer to the edge of the stage. Candidate number 2. Yan, Board of Judges. She was contestant number 2, Miss Beyonce.
No less.
O ano, ituturo ko pa yung daan, pababa. Thank you so much, candidate. Number 2, Miss Beyonce, no
No
less.
less. Of course,
Candidate
number 3,
3,
Miss
Angel Loxi. Joke lang! Joke lang.
Balik.
Joke lang, balik muna. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number
Number
4, please come forward. Candidate number 4, ladies and gentlemen, to the panel of the Board of Judges, she is Miss Marian Tubera.
With the mungko on the best.
Oo. Balikatan 2000. Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Uy.
Arigato gozaimasu.
And followed by our candidate number 5, Miss Betty Lapea.
Kaya,
Ayan, standby lang po sa ating candidate number 3. Diyan ka lang muna. And our candidate number 6, Miss Rupa May Quinto, much better known as Buba. With a 1 full pack boobs.
isang full pack ng tagamarin, biglaan
Thank you
lang
so
talaga.
much, candidate number 6, Miss
Rupa May Quinto, a.k.a. Buba.
Followed by our candidate number 7, Mr. Manny Pacman.
Nilalaro tayo.
Ganon. Ha? Ako kinakalaban nyo. Pero pag gutom, sinasabi nyo, Yuki, sabi mo kay Kagawad, nagugutom kami. Hoy, pinababa ka na? Uy!
Balik. Dito ulit.
Balik doon. Balik doon. Kuya, sikip. Ano ba? Candidate number 3, Miss Angel Loxin. Joke lang. Totoo na to. Kawawa naman siya kayo. Kuya, masikip talaga. Sakit. Ladies and gentlemen, dilentada ka, hindi ko naman sinabing lumakad. To the panel of the Board of Judges, and ladies and gentlemen, that was candidate number 3, Miss Angel.